Hey guys, welcome to the channel or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Weslynn and this is my channel Business Weslynn, where I talk about my business. Thebeautypackage makes unique and creative handmade cosmetics. Yeah, this video is one I am so freaking excited about, and it is how to make shimmering body oil. I have sold so many of these, like I have sold thousands of these body oil recipe. Okay, now you can customize this recipe to whatever you like in any of my body oils because it is my most sold product as of now. Check out my website, Thebeautypackage. I have so many. I have a whole kit that has a dream. It has French vanilla, it has pineapple ice cream, it has sugar pink. Check out that bundle. But also I have like strawberry dream, and then I have my fall scents. Y'all check all of my body oils out. They are amazing, and they have over a 4.5 star rating on TikTok Shop. They're good, they're amazing. They're made with 7 skin loving oils. I guess how to make a shimmering body oil. Y'all look at this. This is my glazed donut one, and it is so gorgeous. Like, look at this. Let's get started on the body oil. So first thing I'm gonna do is, of course, wash your hands and put on some nice glovies. Okay, put on some nice gloves. So, and with all of the lighter oils first. So I'm gonna go in with some grapeseed oil, apricot, liquid coconut oil, sunflower oil. Yo, I get all my oils from both Thebeautypackage, so if you want to get the ones that I use. So yeah, now we're gonna pour it into the cup. We're gonna go in with my heavy oils. So these are gonna be just quite a, there's quite a few of them. So let's just get started. So first is, this is my first time using this, but shea butter. Rice bran oil, jojoba oil, and cacao nut oil. Now we're gonna go with that. All right, so let's have our base. We're gonna go with, so yeah, I'm making strawberry marshmallow. So I'm gonna go with this strawberry marshmallow cream fragrance oil. I'm gonna go with the Crafter's Choice marshmallow fragrance oil. Last but not least, the PB&J, wait, why am I saying PJ fragrance oil. Oil for 11 ounces of like oil. You get what I'm saying? So a lot of people have a lot of different other concentrations, but that's just what I figure out works for me, and that's what I like to go by. So I'm gonna just mix this up. So before we mix, we're gonna go in with some shimmer. So this is the shimmer I'm gonna be using, Siren Red. I typically like to do around 2 tablespoons, but honestly, when I'm making such a small batch, I just typically just eyeball it. So yeah. Now I'm looking for my spoon. So yeah, making a shimmery body oil is relatively simple, but of course, and here's also step to make sure mix thoroughly, because the thing with the shimmer is that it can like it can kind of like clump up. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more shimmer because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I like to personally have a lot of shimmer. So yeah, and plus this shimmer is so pretty. Now look at it, it's so pretty. We're gonna pour it into these containers. And I'm gonna just show you a quick little pouring method that basically is like so simple. And then we're gonna go in with, y'all, this is what I do. How you make a shimmery body oil. That's how you make a shimmery body oil. This is a quick and simple recipe. I hope the recipe was really easy. Consistency. Yeah, y'all, it is a really pretty shimmer. Y'all, it's not really focusing, but y'all, it's a really pretty shimmer. But yeah, and it smells absolutely amazing. So I want to show you how shimmery this body oil is. It's so shimmery and pretty. Yeah, these would be a part of my shimmery body oil mini collection. So yeah, that is how you make shimmery body oils. I hope this recipe helped some of y'all out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And make sure you subscribe, check out the Thebeautypackage on all social medias, and check out the Thebeautypackage website. And if you want to purchase, use code YouTube or New Beauty, and also sign up for the newsletter so y'all can be notified for Black Friday sales and everything like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one, and bye.